5 things poor people do that the rich don't. Welcome to Golden Locks, the channel that will influence you to be an achiever. If you want to be continuously inspired to work your way up the ladder, show your support by liking the video and clicking the subscribe button. In this video, we're going to tell you the things that poor people do that prevent them from becoming successful. Take time to analyze which of these habits should you quit so that you can think of doing something better for yourself. They say, old habits die hard, but with a little extra effort, we can teach ourselves to build a new routine towards a better future, right? By the end of the video, we're going to give you some words of motivation to get you going. So go, jot down notes so you won't forget the 5 things poor people do that the rich don't. Number 1. Poor people watch a lot of TVs. Binge watching TV series and keeping up with the latest celebrity scandals are mostly the reason why poor people watch TV. We want a little entertainment or a distraction from our problems, yes, but continuously watching these shows can hook you and make you spend meaningless time, from minutes to hours or even days. Instead of running away from your problems by finding a distraction, focus on solving them. If you don't have to deal with anything, then why not dedicate your time to something that can help you grow? Read a book. When was the last time you finished a book? Why not learn something new today? Dedicate maybe an hour or 2 to learning and growing, right? You'll see the results in a few months if you just stick with good habits, and you'll be surprised with your progress. Remember, time is gold, and it's the one thing we will never get back. So make every second count. Do something worth your time. Number 2. Poor people tend to have more kids and earlier in their life than rich ones. We know that the act of making kids is fun and exciting, but you have to be aware of its consequences. People with no goals and no clear vision for their life tend to make kids very early in their life. Just because they have a lot of free time and no financial education, they don't prevent themselves from having kids since they don't know the financial liabilities they hold. Raising kids are super expensive. Their needs and want, feeding them, entertaining them, and of course, usually, you have to be responsible for them for the rest of your life. You need to be financially stable first to have kids. You would want your loved ones to live comfortably in the best environment that you can provide them and not counting every penny and be stressed about finances, right? Number 3. Poor people blame others for their misfortunes. Poor people often blame others on their troubles, the economy, the government, and the people who surround them. They often find excuses as to why they are not successful. They are very bad at taking responsibility and seeing things as they really are. Often they depend on others to help them. In fact, we should be in control of our own lives. If we blame others for the troubles in our lives, we become powerless, weak, and miserable. It is not true that somebody else is controlling your life. You're the only one controlling your life. That way, you can change everything you want and design your life as you like. Rich people reflect on their misfortunes and learn from them. They use them as an opportunity to grow into someone better. They study their problems so that they prevent them from occurring again. Remember, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Find another way around on how you could stand up. Number 4. Poor people think they know it all. Poor people are often closed-minded. They don't open themselves to learn from others. They believe that they are always correct, and they don't want to listen to the opinions of other people. But think about it. If you know it all, why are you still miserable? Poor people want the world to change for them, and they don't want to change themselves to be better because they think they are the best. Allow people to help you by accepting the criticisms you receive and adapting yourself to the changes that are happening around you. Don't strive to be perfect. Instead, strive to be better. and always be open to growth and believe that you still have many things to learn. Number 5. Poor people surround themselves with other poor people. As they say, birds of the same feather flock together. Don't allow yourself to be stuck with people who don't wish for growth. You'll end up hampering your potential. You wouldn't want to step out of your comfort zone because you see your friends are doing the same? Don't settle for this kind of relationship. Find people who will inspire you to be better. Find peers that will motivate you to do your best and work harder than ever. We need to have people around us that are smarter, better, and wealthier, so we can learn from them and be a better version of ourselves. Look for the people who will give you the extra support you will need to work towards success. We hope you learned a lot from this video. Do you feel guilty about any of this? Reflect on your habits and think of how you can grow and become a better person. What do you think about this list? We want to know your opinion about the things poor people do that the rich don't. Share your comments below. We hope we were able to contribute towards your road to financial success. And as promised, here's a famous quote by Henry Ford to motivate you. Whether you think you can or you can't, you are right. Don't stop yourself from growing and always be open to possibilities. Nothing can stop you from reaching your goals and always push yourself to your limits. Thank you for making time to watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell icon so that you'll always be updated. We'll see you again soon.